The handle, you see this part? That's Gorilla Glue. This piece came off immediately. And this pen rod, let me get this set up real quick and then we're good to go.